Good morning, adventure seekers. August 2nd, 2022. Find ourselves in Los Olivos. Too much action here on the weekday. Looks like a fine destination. If you're touristing around and want to do some wine tasting, fun place to be. Nice quiet day. Weather's great. Hang out. Come on down. Sample some wine. Grab some food. Great cruise. Boxing Canyon Road. Got me here. 154 Lake Kachuma. However you want to get here. It's the place to be. Check out. Sarlus and Sons. Tasting lounge. Wine. Nice little fountain. Nice place to kick back. Bien nacido wine tasting. No matter how much wine you want to taste, this is the place to do it. See what we have. Carriage House, Island Wine Company, Bien Nacido, Mitch Williams, Construction, Wayland Wine, Garhart Vineyards Wine Tasting. Looks like you can spend the whole day going place to place. Drinking some vino. Little vino time. Quiet Tuesday morning right now though, folks. Blizzards are out. About it. Four Brothers Wine Company. Global Shopping Studio. Check out some artwork maybe. Alright. Cadel Gravino tasting room. Gotta like that. Come on in and smell the leather. Jalopy Wine Company. Kind tunes, good vibes. Alright. Business is tucked back in there. Ready. Check out our extensive collection of sea smoke wine. Whatever that is, you're gonna have to try it. Gucci wines. Consumable art wine tasting. Looks like the place is shut down at the moment. Everybody's hiding out. Maybe they drank too much wine last night. Have to sleep in. Sleeping in. Evans Ranch. Alright, gotta like this intersection. Let's go check out and see when the next little concert is over here. A quaint little park. Have yourself a little free picnic lunch. Grab yourself some sandwiches at the deli. Eat them over here in the shade. Can't beat that. Beats working. On down. There's some Olivos. Right the path. Right, but the path opens. Let's see, when is the next one? I don't see any advertisements when the next concert is. But I'm sure we'll have one soon. Check it out. Terlica Saddlery. Man, buy yourself a saddle. Maybe a cowboy hat so you can look cool. Maybe I should get me a new hat. Oh, here's a cool mural. Greg T. Wicker. Pretty good job if you ask me. I'm liking it. I'm liking it. Always impressed by artistic abilities of others. I have pretty much little. I'm no artist, that's for sure. Okay, folks. Got sleepy town of Los Olivos. Things should be starting to open up. 10 or 11. Get the touristas out here, liven this place up. Cute little destination town, brother. Gotta like it. Gotta like it. Got yourself a kitchen and bar. Best Parker Wine Country Inn. Just went past Best Parker. Oxen Canyon Road, always a good place to stop. Oh, looks like you might be able to rent some bikes here or something. Coco Bell, Olivos. Checking out the little quaint post office. And I'll definitely mispronounce this, the Coquelicot tasting room. Might as well come in. If you can pronounce it, you're not drunk. Alright. Cool little area. Taste wine in there. Looks pretty shady and nice. You know, wine tasting. Closed at the moment. I'm sure they will be open. Oh, 11 to 5. Okay. Canino. I don't like that architecture. Los Olivos General Store. On in. Wake this place up. Take some more tourists down here. I guess I'm just a little early today for the action. But it will arrive, folks. It will arrive. All your honeymooners, your tourists cruising through. They'll be out. They'll be tasting. Well, you can buy yourself a serious looking dress. Wildflower Women. Fabric merchant. Handmade dresses and tops. Galleries. Whatever you want to do. Check out some art. Grab some food. Grab some tasting experiences. Right, we need some more action, adventure seekers. So come on down. You need just a regular old sandwich to get yourself through the day. You got the country market. Got a nice deli in there. Another good thing about stopping at Los Olivos, public restrooms.